Tired of hunting for the right Jira form editor? Learn exactly how to add and remove fields in minutes, no save button needed. This is one of those things that seems like it should be simple, but the guides out there are either outdated or they skip the one detail that actually matters. So let's fix that right now. We'll start by opening your Jira project, then navigate to Forms, select your form, and edit fields by drag and drop. And I'll show you exactly why the autosave is your best friend here. All right, the first step is to open your Jira account. Go ahead and log in wherever you usually do. This is your starting point every time you need to make a change. Now from your account, open the specific project you're working on. You'll find it on the left side panel. Just click the project name. And don't worry if you have a ton of projects listed, the one you want is in there. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the Forms option. Look for it in the Project menu and give it a click. It's usually pretty easy to spot once you're inside the project. Next, you'll see a list of your forms. Click on the one you want to edit. This takes you to the Form Overview page. It's a clean view where you can see everything your form currently has. And here's where the real work happens. You can add or remove fields right from this screen. Take a moment to look around. On the left, you see the form itself. On the right, you see the available fields you can use. This is the whole workspace. To remove a field, just click and drag it over to the right side panel. Let go, and it's gone. That's it. I've tested this a bunch of times, and it works exactly as you'd expect. Just grab the field you don't want anymore and pull it to the right. You'll see it disappear from the form layout immediately. To add a field, it's the same idea, but in reverse. Choose the field you want from the right side panel. Click and hold, then drag it onto your form where you want it to go. Drop it in place, and it's added. You can put fields above or below existing ones, and you can rearrange things just by dragging them around. The whole process is really intuitive once you start doing it. Now, pay attention to this one because it trips a lot of people up. There's no save button here. I know, right? It feels weird at first, but every change you make is automatically saved as you go. You can see it happening in real time. So when you drag that field onto your form and let go, it's saved. When you remove one, it's saved. You don't need to hunt around for a button or worry about losing your work. I've seen so many people waste time looking for that save button, but trust me, it's not there and you don't need it. So now you know exactly how to edit forms in Jira. Open your project, click Forms, select your form, and drag fields on or off. No hunting, no confusion, and no save button required. If you've been putting off cleaning up your forms, now's the time. Go ahead and give it a try.